So here we are going to demonstrate how to use a software that's online in order to draw a curve, okay, to graph a curve. So let's say we've got this table of ordered pairs, all right, from -2 to +2 as your domain, and the range is from 5. Well, the range is from 1 to 5. The minimum range is 1, up to the maximum range is 5. Okay, and we are going to use a software to plot, to graph our ordered pairs. So what you can do, that's one of the ways. There are multiple ways. You can even ask AI to plot it for you. Give AI the ordered pairs and it will plot it for you. I'm certain probably it can do that. But pretend AI is not yet. So you go to a new tab and you type in Google online graphing calculator. There are many of them. So you have Desmos, you have Geogebra. Okay, let's check out Desmos. You have Symbolab, you have others. Lower down, if you scroll lower down, you see the rest. But we want to be able to put the points and then or to generate the graph. Here you have the equation. Okay, so Desmos is giving us the equation, an option to use the equation. The equation there, the function there is x squared plus 1. So if I put x squared plus 1, and automatically Desmos has given us the graph. If we look at the graph in the example, that's example 3, unit 3. All right, here it is, example 3, unit 3. You will see the graph and the points. Now, what if you want to use the points? What if you want to plot the points? I'm not really seeing this there with GeoGebra. Desmos, let's check out GeoGebra and see if it is possible. So I'm going to try GeoGebra. That's another graphing calculator. So you can use a software to plot your graph, okay? And I will accept it. So you can see this loading. The internet is a little bit challenging. Yes, you can submit it on paper. So here's a table. GeoGebra gives us a table. No, you have to submit online. So what you do now, you take a picture and you paste it on your Google document, all right? We are trying to save the planet, you know, the trees and the papers and so submit online. So there's a table and it gives you your X. So X is for this example is, that's our array, our domain, sorry, minus 2 to 2 and 5 to 1 to 5, 5 to 1 to 5, minus 2 to 2, 5 to 1 to 5. So minus 2, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, that's what is it? After 5 is 2, my 5 to 1. So minus 1 is 2. So GeoGebra actually gives us the opportunity to input the ordered pairs, 0 to 1. And you can see it takes the characteristic of a parabola. It has gone down and now it is going back up. So we're going to get, for 1, we're going to get 2 now. So the numbers, the ranges are repeating. And 2, back up to 5. And you can actually see the plots. Here it is. Okay, so it has plotted it. Can it graph it for us? Okay. What I normally do now, I will normally would so you can discover how to actually join the dots in GeoGebra. I'll take a snip, put it on a Google document. So we can go to our electronic whiteboard, map 115A, class 20, and you can insert it in drawings. So you can paste it in drawings. You can use snipping tool, paste it in drawings. Come on, taking some time. And you can use lines. We want a curve, and you can actually join the dots. Just lift up, just click one click. Okay. And just click on it and just lift for one click and click, and then just go on. Oh, where's the line? Okay, probably have to double click, so let's do that again. Curve. Click, 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 double click. Okay, you have to double click at the end, and then yeah, and that's your curve. If you want, you can, I need to, right. And you can actually widen it. Okay, and you can click save and close. So you could use Google Docs to generate your graph, okay? GeoGebra and Google Docs. And you can look into how you can actually use GeoGebra to join the dots for you, okay? But it certainly will if you put the algebra. So if you input the function itself, x squared plus 1, I think, it will join it for you one time, okay? So you can use GeoGebra to plot to join your curve for you, okay? So here it is, folks. You can actually generate your graph using the software, and it's very much identical to the one that we have.